I have the sandwiches right in here. Hey, where are all the sandwiches? Oh, I must have forgot. And I'm so hungry. I'm sorry, my love.
We've been walking for so long. Isn't there any food on this island?
It's not your fault. It's Dodgeball's fault.
Oh, I'm hungry again.
What the chocolate hamburger? You literally ate 2 minutes ago.
Sheesh, what a chicken. I'm hungry. Maybe there's some berries or something in the woods. It beats the crap they feed us. What's the next challenge be? Okay, the next challenge.
Wow, I'm pretty hungry. Hey, Space.
It's so nice just to sit here and relax.
You said it. You know, I'm getting pretty hungry, but I'm too lazy to go back home to get food.
I'm hungry.
Not a real pizza.
Gee, it's almost like we already knew that.
To be honest, guys, my stomach is hungry for real pizza.
Yeah.
Phew, we lost them for a while.
I'm hungry. Is there a place around here that sells really good cheeseburgers?